If you want to take macro photos on Samsung Galaxy A17, then first of all we're gonna open our camera and then we're gonna switch to more in order to find the dedicated macro mode. So let's go ahead and choose it. And now here we have a little prompt where we need to hold our camera 1 to 2 inches away from the subject. So let's place our subject over here and let's keep the distance. And of course, if you keep the camera too close, then you will also notice that the photo can be a little bit blurred. So just keep the distance in order to keep the focus and keep the sharpness of the photo. And then once you are ready, just press the shutter button. And this is how you can take a macro photo. Besides that, there's also additional trick that you can do. In the standard photo mode, you can keep a bigger distance and then you can use a little bit of a zoom. So you can zoom in and keep the distance in order to take a macro photo like this as well. So this is another way to capture a macro photo. And also you need to keep a distance, perhaps even a bigger distance. And the more zoom you use, the worse the quality of the photo will be, of course. So you have to keep that in mind. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.